Hi everyone, Archana here. As I posted on my Facebook and Instagram, I have created this beautiful 8x8 album using Prima's memory hardware album, and I have used really wonderful papers by Lemoncraft and the collection called Sweet Secret, and all the goodies are here. I will show you each and everything in detail, and here we go. So as you see, this first page is full of prettiness here. All the shabbiness is going on, and as I mentioned, basic album is Prima's memory hardware album, and this one is also Prima's one of the resin piece, which is long back they released. And of course I have used Prima flower bouquet here, some of the Prima paper flowers here, and some here, and these cute butterflies are from same collection by Lemoncraft. They have those A4 paper with full of butterflies with each and every collection in different colors and different shapes, sizes. Really awesome thing they started giving us along with their collection, so thanks for that. And then you can see behind, actually it was really big cutout which I have cutted with my brother's scan and cut machine, and they have some built-in designs. So that was some rosette border, and there were 3 rosette and leaves, but after all those things done, I realized I wasted almost 3/4 of my rosette cutouts underneath. It's not showing from anywhere, just this little tiny part, but it's okay. And this chipboard piece is from my stash. Die cut is from Blue Fern Studio, and some of the Wilder Kid craft flowers here and there you can see, and some of the die cuts. This one is memory box dies. These are the ones, these ones, and what else, and let's open. So as I mentioned, this is 8x8 album. It is quite a big album, so you have plenty of space for your pictures. So on this page I kept it mostly very simple inside. I didn't make any like crazy very complicated pockets and folds and all that. It's good for beginners too. So I have cut all these pieces with my scan and cut machine, all the basic design. If you have a corner punch, you can do it if you want the same type of shape. So corner punches always works. I always used to use those punches, but luckily I got my scan and cut, and my life is a little bit easy now. So I have created all this flower cluster or bouquet on this area, and this page is opening like that. There is a pocket behind. This page is a permanent page, and this page is opening like that. So next page, I have this cutout, as I mentioned here also. Here I almost hide all the beauty of this cutout, but here you can see all the roses. Since this collection has so many roses, I thought I'll just use the theme like a rose, so I just used this one. But I didn't use any bulky roses here. Mostly I used flat type of flowers, so I can easily close my album. Here you can see there is a picture frame here. You can easily insert your pictures from here. This one is kind of big, but let me grab one piece so I can show you all the time. Let me just get one of this. So this will go like that. Right here, your pictures. Okay, and then next page, right there is a simple pocket. I have just cut this shape in half and stick on the edges, 3 edges, so it creates a simple pocket. And there is a photo corners already cut out, so you can easily put your pictures. And there is another flap like that here. You can create a pocket up there, but I didn't. And again, all these similar thing. These are my very old Stampin' Up punches. I still have them, I still love them, and I'm still using them, even though they are like 10-12 years back I purchased. So I have these ones. These are really pretty for small embellishments. You can layer it. There are so many different sizes. I have them, luckily. And on this page again, I have created a pocket right here. One opens like that, and then it goes like this. And then this page, you can see a pocket right here and a pocket right there, like that. And here also a simple page with pocket and pictures. And on this side, a beautiful die cut, and these are opening from the top like that. And another beautiful embellishment on the borders on the bottom. And here another page like this. This album is mainly for picture purpose, so that's what I have a lot of larger spaces for pictures. And this side also another pocket. And look at the beautiful papers. So along with the picture part, I really wanted to show all the papers and the beauty of these papers. So I didn't want to hide everything, so that's what I kept it simple too. So if you put your pictures, that beautiful paper still peeking through. So that is the main purpose of creating simple albums. And here another opening flap and pocket here, and you can see very large page, so you can easily put really good family pictures. And here I feel like this album is really awesome for Sweet 16, right? So I'll keep it for my daughter and I'll put all her pictures everywhere. And here you can see another page opening from the top, so you can insert pictures. And you can even die cut some beautiful sentiments and stick it here, all the areas where you can see the blank space. You can write something. This side you can see just a big pocket and a big page, large page for picture. And the last page where you can easily stick pictures, and I kept it like that, just a plain. And this is my beautiful album, and it's very simple, easy album, as you already noticed, but I put all my efforts, all my love, everything on the top of this album. The cover is really stunning. I'm so in love with this, and I hope you will like it. And these papers are to die for, seriously. This is my favorite collection. So as you have seen all the beautiful graphic all over here, so this is the beautiful album I recently created and I wanted to share with you all. And if you need any information about the papers, flowers, everything, and basically kit of this album, I will have a link in the description box below. So thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.